Welcome back to today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. I'm going to go over the 3 signs that you are going to be rich. And no, this is not a get rich quick scheme video. I'm just going to go over a couple of the traits, personality traits, and obviously habits that have to deal with becoming a millionaire. So make sure you guys click that like button down below for more videos just like this. Helps out the algorithm, and subscribe for daily content just like this. So the number 1 sign that you are going to be rich is that you actually had no money growing up. And this is a big thing with me, is that when you understand and you have to feel the hunger for what money feels like in the beginning of your journey, and you understand what it feels like to be poor and be hungry and, not have those advantages that other people have, you are hungrier to succeed. You have more humility and you know what it feels like to be broke. So when you finally get to taste money, you understand why it's so important and the freedom that it gives you, because you never had freedom before. As soon as you're given entitlement, as soon as you are given something too soon, there's no more curiosity in it. It's inevitable at that point. There's nothing to be excited about. There's nothing to grow upon. You get complacent. But when you are broke in the beginning of your journey and you see your parents struggle and you see the way that money moves and you see the way that people complain about money or the viewpoints people have about money, you sometimes get mad because you're dealing with shit because of a lack of money. And for you to make more money and solve those problems is your ticket out into the freedom, out of the matrix, and all the things that you see online that people talk about. That is the first sign that you are going to be rich, if you actually enjoy being broke and you understand and use that as fuel. Number 2 is that you have consistency. You don't give up very, very quickly. A lot of people who are poor, they try something for 2-3 days, they hate it, they fucking give up, right? The consistency to keep going without seeing any result, that consistent obsession with the success that you want, those things are going to allow you to be hungrier, be more consistent, care more about the craft and the art involved in getting that skill set nailed down. As soon as you try something you don't like it, maybe it's not for you, but don't do the whole imposter syndrome or shiny object syndrome where something doesn't work for 3 days and then you go to the next thing. You go in this loop over and over and over again and you wonder why you're not getting results. That is the biggest piece that I see for most entrepreneurs and individuals in general, is that imposter syndrome and shiny object syndrome and lack of consistency and patience are the reasons why they're not getting the results that they want, because the mind is a powerful thing. You have to control it. And you control it by doing the same thing over and over again, that obsession of being consistent and getting better and better every single day. So that is number 2. And the third sign that you are going to be rich is that you obsess about money. The things that you think about, the things you manifest about the most are the things that come into your life. And I'm not a big fan of manifestation, the whole you just sit there and think about a Lambo, you're going to get one. No, that's obviously bullshit. But if you sit there and you think about what this skill set or this craft or this business or this path that you're taking is going to make you rich, odds are it's going to make you rich, because you're going to move in your path into the right direction or make the right decisions at the fork in the road, whatever the case may be, to get you to that place where you're making money. Because once you are obviously, you're getting your feet off the ground, you're starting to grow, you're starting to make money, you're starting to realize the freedom and the accessibility that money gives you, you start to value time more than money. In the beginning, you have to hustle your fucking ass off to learn that skill set, to network, to make money, to close deals, to, be someone of significance and be a man of honor. But once that job is done, you kind of just value time a lot more. And that's one of the biggest things that I'm getting into in my life right now, is that I don't really value the money as much. If you saw me every single day, you would see me sitting here for an hour or 2 a day recording YouTube videos that are not really paying me my hourly rate, but I do it because it's impact, it's influence, it's things that I have to do to then feed the beast of my business so that I can run on auto and making the money that I need to buy back the time that I want and to have that access of time that I've always wanted, because I saw people working 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day in some warehouse, job, restaurant, they're fucking miserable. They don't make any money at all. Once you value that time more than the money will come to you, because what usually you focus on is what you get. And the more time you buy back, it's because you have more money, and that is a reflection of that. So understand those signs. If you are currently, obsessing over those things or you have those going on, that's a good sign that you're probably going to be pretty wealthy because you're going to make the right decisions. And decisions have consequences, and consequences either push you back or put you forward. And that is it. Life is about choices. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.